Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, we will show all details on dashboard page and the My Polls page in React application. So let's get started. As you can see, a dashboard component. So here I'm going to add the use navigate hook. Let me import this from React router DOM. After adding the use navigate hook, let me copy the backdrop tag from create poll component. Let me copy this. Let me add here inside the dashboard component. So we have to import this backdrop tag from material UI. With this, I'm going to import here calculate progress. On this tag, we have the property open, where we are checking here a loading state value. If loading has true, then we have to show the loader on the screen. Now on the top of this backdrop tag, we have to write the functionality to show the poll details that we are retrieving from server. So first we have the tag for box. Let me import this. Inside the box tag, we have the tag for grid. Let me import this. Inside this grid, we have a condition where we have to check here post.length is equals to 0 and loading state value is not true. Then we will show this box tag where we have a tag for typography with a caption, no polls found. With this, we have a button with a caption, create a poll. On the click of this button, we have to navigate a user to a create poll page. As you can see, the path of a create poll page /poll/create. So let me import here typography and the button tag. If a post.length greater than 0 and loading has true, then we have to show here the poll details like the poll title, options and the votes with the expiry date. So here inside this block, we are calling here the JS function map on this use state polls. Inside this map function, we have a predicate variable poll that will hold single poll details. Inside this, we have the tag for grid. Inside the grid, we have the tag for card. Let me import this. Now inside the card, we have the tag for card header. Let me import this. On this tag, we have the props avatar, where we have a tag avatar. Let me import this. Inside this tag, we have to get the first character of the poll username, and we have to show the first character into this avatar. Second props that we have title with the value poll.username. Third props that we have subheader, where we have to show the poll posted date. Inside this function, we have to pass here poll.posted date. After the card header tag, we have the tag for card content. Let me import this. Inside this tag, we have the tag for typography, where we have to show poll.question. Second tag, dat for paper. Let me import this. Inside the paper tag, we are showing here all the options title. We have to get them from poll. After the card content, we have the tag for card actions. Let me put here card actions. Inside this, we have the tag for typography, where we have to show here total vote count. Second typography, where we have to show the expiry date of this poll. Let me import this blue color from material UI. Now you can take a look of a dashboard component. Let's navigate to the browser. As you can see, a dashboard page where we are getting all the polls detail like the avatar, username, poll posted date, poll question, poll options, total vote count, and the expiry date. Let's click on this poll question and it's navigating us to a view poll details page. After showing a poll details on dashboard page, we have to show my polls on this page from dashboard component. Let me copy this HTML code. Let me add inside the statement of view my polls component. After the HTML code, let me copy the use navigate hook from dashboard component. Let me add here after the use navbar hook. Now at the last, let me copy these imports. Let me add on the top of view my polls component. Now you can take a look of a view my polls component. Let's navigate to the browser. As you can see, a page of my polls. On this page, I can see my polls detail